Welcome back. We're gonna continue the build on the iconic 1989 Batmobile LEGO set. Alright, that's pretty much the front of the vehicle. You can see the turbine. It's not connected to anything, but yeah, you can see the sleek look of the front spoilers. Two guns. The cockpit's right away back there. Remember, click up top for other videos I do put out every once in a while. done with the hull of the battleship. Well, Batmobile. We're still lacking a little bit of rubber on the rear and on the front. The cockpit lifts off and it's the coolest thing ever. You can see the seats adjustable. You can see all the controls and everything still there. And now it's coming together. I am on bag number 18 out of 22, but 2 are just auxiliary, like tires and shit, so I'm about 2 bags away. Sounds like a drug deal going down, but no, it's Lego, so bear with me. Alright, so I made a mistake. It's not 22 bags, it's 23 bags plus 2 auxiliaries. Right now we've done the headlights, we've done the turbine, the sleek look at the body of the battleship. This doesn't flip upwards anymore, but it slides forwards and backwards. You kind of have a small little access to the cockpit. Right now working on the back, and let's get to it. The main body of the Batmobile is ready. It's sleek, it's black, and mostly seamless. It's missing some tires and rubber in the back and front, and some tail light. Other than that, mostly cosmetics. We might see a glimpse of the Joker as well. It was on the box. It's 3:20 a.m. I'm still going. Hang tight. Yeah, the build is finished, done. It took me about 16 hours to build. This was a long-term project coming. This particular Batmobile is inspired by the 1989 Batman movie directed by Tim Burton. In 2019, as the 30th anniversary, they decided to design and build this model. It weighs about 3.5 kilos. And consists of about 3,300 bricks of Lego. It comes with 3 different characters: the Joker, the Batman, and Barbara Gordon. Barbara and Batman have got 2 separate faces. You flip the head around and you get different impressions. I thoroughly enjoyed this. It took me 16 hours, and I hope you guys enjoyed the build as well. See you guys on the next clip. To all the redliners and my followers, I know this was quite unconventional. I didn't actually possess any auto vehicles in it, but relatively was relevant. So please like and subscribe and stick with me. I'll try to be better. Thanks.